I just feel really refreshed in my goals and having a plan now to go away of really tangible steps that I'm going to make in the next 6 months to help build my music business and to take myself more seriously and start saying yes to myself.
I feel excited, I feel scared, I feel ready to tackle it.
One of the biggest things I got out of today was finding my direction, where I'm going, and also why I'm doing this.
So that I know why I am committed to continuing on to make the effort to be the artist that I want to be.
Beginning of the day, I felt very reserved and scared to be vulnerable. By the end of the day, I had acknowledged my vision for the future, my artistic future.
When you're uncomfortable, you start to push through the barriers and get to where you want to be. So you need to be pushing through and doing things that are uncomfortable.
I was able to acknowledge that my life is mine and that I have dreams and I'm going to make them into plans, actions, some steps to take to make it tangible.
I'm going to perform more regularly. I'm going to commit to writing even when it feels uncomfortable.
Practical ways to overcome the hard stuff, to create a real music career and take yourself seriously.